Hello everyone, this is your professor once again, Danny Raneta Cabulay, for the course Strategic Management in Tourism. And we're on to the 5th video lecture for this week, and we will talk about winner analysis. So when we analyze who are the winners, who are the losers in a particular industry, it's good to find out what are their attributes, what makes them winners and what makes them losers. So this is probably the easiest tool that I'm going to teach you because you're simply enumerating ano ba yung mga katangian nila, bakit sila naging panalo, paano sila naging winner. At ano naman yung katangian ng mga losers, yung mga palugi, yung mga hindi nananalo sa competition, okay? So you're talking about champions and losers, or champions and laggards, leaders and laggards, okay? So winner analysis ang tawag dito. I'll give an example. In the burger industry, Jollibee and McDonald's seems to be the leaders. Why? Because of the following reasons. Jollibee has over 1,000 branches in the Philippines. They have aggressive advertising, multiple brand niche target markets, and they have a very strong research and development department and innovation. No? They inject a lot of innovation in their products. McDonald's, on the other hand, has strategic selection of outlets. It's the #1 brand of burger in the world. Strong global brand, okay? Aggressive advertising and promotions, just like Jollibee. They have a very strong R&D department also, and innovative, highly innovative. Meanwhile, among the burger companies in the Philippines, 2 are considered to be losers. So this would be Tropical Hut and Carl's Jr. Here's why. Tropical Hut has no innovation and poor R&D. Limited location and outlets. Nagsasara yun ng karamihan. Okay? The one in Makati closed down already. Okay? Poor service. Unsanitary practices and facilities. Personal experience ko, every time I eat in a Tropical Hut outlet, laging may buhok dun sa kanilang burger. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit laging may buhok. Kahit anong branch, meron lagi. Naka-hairnet naman sila. So they have sanitary practices. Pero bakit ganun? Tapos, medyo kulot pa. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yun, okay? So, I swear, hindi na ako kakain talaga sa Tropical Hut. Kasi the 5 times na kumain ako sa Tropical Hut in the past few years, it's really the same experience. Laging may buhok sa burger. I don't know what, maybe it's their supplier, maybe it's the habit of the kitchen cooks, no? I don't know. But it's really bad. And then Carl's Jr., masyado mahal ang burgers nila. 250 to 350 isang burger. Ano ba yun? May ginto ba yung burger nila? Hindi ma-afford yan ng even the middle class. Okay? So, limited lang ang flavors nila. Okay? Ang variants, no? Limited locations and outlets. Halos wala na nga eh. Okay? Poor advertising and promotions. Okay? So, that's the problem with Carl's Jr. Okay? Now, when we talk about industry analysis, you're analyzing the macro environment. You also have to look at issues, trends, and developments in a particular industry where your company is operating. So you look at the government policies and laws, technology, market behavior, competitor behavior, supplier chain behavior, the seasonality, environmental concerns, legal issues, and even mass media. Now, if you want to find out if the company you're trying to study is a leader in the industry, you want to look at the key success factors. What are the key success factors to become the leader in that particular industry? So these are the attributes that the industry leaders possess. So challengers may potentially possess them too. The laggards, yung mga kulelat, most likely do not possess them. So this would range somewhere from 2 to 5 attributes which may vary across industries. So depende kung anong sector ng industry, no? For example, na mga key success factors, the price or good value for money, differentiated quality of the product, distribution channels, aggressive advertising, excellent service, state-of-the-art technology, large capacity, okay, accessibility, and irreplaceability or irreplicability, yung mahirap gayahin. Okay? Lalo na kung nakapatent, no? Yan. So, I'll just give you an example. Well, one organization you're trying to find out is, say, UST. Okay, University of Santo Tomas, College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. So that's the organization you're trying to analyze. Does it have the key success factors of a leading tourism hospitality school? Is UST the leading tourism and hospitality school in the country? Let's find it out. So, can you guess which of these attributes is considered to be the KSF in the school industry, the tourism and hospitality school industry? Okay, that's an industry, okay? Is it size of enrollment? Is it track record in competitions? Is it modern facilities? Is it quality of faculty and instruction? Is it reputation in research and publication? Is it job placement rate of graduates? Okay, and then international and national awards. Is it number of campuses or branches? Is it the popularity of the brand or name of school? Is it the affordable tuition and school fees? Okay, guess. The correct answers: first, track record in competitions. Second, quality of faculty and instruction. And then job placement rate of graduates. Those are the 3 KSF to become the leading tourism and hospitality school in the country. Question, does UST have that? Those 3? Okay. Your final pop question this week, pop question number 5, identify a specific industry in any of the 8 sectors of the tourism industry. The more specific, the better it is. Then enumerate the KSF. So maybe 2 to 5 items only, okay? To become a leader in this specific industry that you mentioned. No need to explain. No need to explain, okay? For example, the KSF of the buffet restaurant industry are, so I mentioned specifically buffet restaurant industry. I did not say restaurant industry, that's very broad. So specific buffet restaurant industry are, number 1, strategic pricing or good value for money. Yung hindi baharang, sulit yan. Location, of course. They have to be in strategically located areas, like malls, for example, near a highway, okay, in a commercial area. And then extensive menu and food selection. Kung kakaunti lang yung food selection, hindi ka magiging successful. It has to be really diverse and long enough, okay? And finally, unique dining experience. Yung ambience, yung music, yung service, yeah, that's the total experience. So, yun ang 4 na KSF para maging successful ka sa buffet restaurant industry. Okay? Do something like that. That's how you answer that question. Okay? Pop question number 5. Place your answer in the comment section below the YouTube video not later than Wednesday next week. So next week, I'm going to make an announcement on when we're going to have our online class and when we're going to have more videos. So in closing, I'm going to share with you another language I know, Japanese or Nihongo. So how do you say goodbye in Japanese or Nihongo? You say sayonara. Sayonara. Okay? Quotation for the week. One small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. So make sure you think positive when you wake up. Feel good about yourself. Feel good about your environment. Feel good about the world. Okay? One positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. Sayonara!